I'm so on brand today in my pink jumper. Hello everyone, hope you are well. Welcome back to our next YouTube video. I hope January has been a really good month for you and 2024 is looking great in terms of achieving your goals and you're very excited for the year ahead. Yes, so hope you have had a great January. In this video today, we're going to be talking all about how to start your own nail business. So our nail courses are some of our most popular courses. Lots of our learners, and we love to see it, it's my favourite thing to see, all their nail designs and everything. But a lot of our learners go on to, after studying with us, they go on to start their own nail business, gaining their own clientele, and yeah, gaining professional insurance and starting their own businesses, which is really exciting and something we love to see. So this is a video all about how to start your own nail tech business, become a nail tech for all of our nail learners out there and just anyone interested in the nail industry as well. So the first question is, do you need to be qualified to start a nail business? So there are in fact no specific qualifications you need. However, you will need to gain professional insurance before starting to practice on clients. And to gain that professional insurance by an accreditation board, you will often need to prove that you have accreditation or you've studied a course or a qualification. So it is a great idea to study on a course, and an online course is a great way to do that. If you'd like any more information about our courses, I will put the link down below. So while in theory you could be a self-taught nail technician, it's not really advised. Obviously, to gain that professional insurance to start practicing on clients, you do need to prove that you have accreditation. So obviously studying on a course is a great way to prove that. Also, you're working with people, you're working on clients, you're working, that's really important. It's a really important thing. You're working with a person. So you need to know all the proper procedures, health and safety, all those kind of, really important things. So it is advised for you to learn all that knowledge and skills through a course. Our courses, if you're interested, upon completion of those courses, you can go and apply for professional insurance and you are accredited to go and do that. So yeah, it is definitely advised to study on a course, whether that's online or in person, just to gain that knowledge and experience. So yeah, number one step in how to start your nail tech business is to get qualified, basically. Study on a course so then you're able to get that insurance. It is really, really strongly recommended that you are covered by an insurance as a nail tech. So there are a few different types of insurance that you do need to look at when you're starting a nail business. I'm just going to read them out here. So public liability insurance, employer's liability insurance, property insurance, and personal accident/sickness insurance. So those are the types of insurance you are looking at, you should be looking at when you're starting your own nail business. Public liability is the most important to gain straight away. It's advised to gain straight away. This covers you for any accidents that might happen in your salon, home, whatever. If your client has an allergic reaction to anything, you're covered for that. Any accidents, someone trips over something, that just covers you for all those kind of things. If in the future you're looking to hire employees to your nail business, if you start a salon, for example, employer's liability insurance is really advisable to get, but obviously you might not be looking at that straight away, but it's something to consider and that you will need if you're hiring staff. If you're investing in your own premises, such as a salon, it is advisable to get property insurance just in case anything unpredictable happens to that property. You are covered with that property insurance as well. Also, if you are a mobile nail tech or if you set up your business from home, it's a good idea to get some insurance to cover sickness or injury of yourself so that you aren't left out of pocket if any accidents or sickness occur, which means you can't work. So that is the kind of personal accidents or sickness insurance as well. So yeah, it's a really, really important thing to consider, just to cover your back, make sure that you're compliant and covered for anything that might happen. The next thing to think about is the name of your business and to register yourself as a business. So when you're thinking about your business name, it's obviously a really, really important part of your brand and image. So do some research, have a look at synonyms, have a look at competitors, what are they using, what are they doing, and make sure to have a brainstorm and talk to other people, get their opinions, and come up with a catchy name for your business. So that is step one. If you're just going to be doing a few clients every now and then, friends and family in your living room, you don't have to worry about registering yourself as a business. Obviously you're just kind of doing it for friends, and that doesn't really, you don't need to be registered as a proper business. However, if you see your business growing and flourishing and this is what you really want to do, you do need to do things like declare tax, at the end of every tax year, keep track of your earnings, make sure that you have good kind of bookkeeping and that you keep track of all your outputs and inputs in your accounts. So you do need to register your business in that instance. When just starting up, many nail technicians register themselves as a sole trader. So they set themselves up as a sole trader, which basically means they are now self-employed, and they are also personally responsible for all their business finances and things like that. To set yourself up as a sole trader, there are some things you need to have, so I'm just going to read off the screen below you. So you will need a national insurance number, a record kept of all your incomings and outgoings over the financial year. You need to send a self-assessed tax return every year, which I mentioned before, and also to pay income tax on all of your profits. Remember, this only applies when you start making over £1,000 from your self-employment. So just make sure to keep a record of what you've made so that you can keep track of whether you've reached that £1,000 threshold or not. The last step is marketing. I work in marketing, so I'd really kind of stress the importance of this one. Basically, you have to sell yourself, your business and your brand, and you do that through lots of marketing channels. For nail businesses, the best channels really are social media. It does so well. I'm imagining a lot of you interested in this video get nail inspiration all the time, reels, TikToks, and you probably find a lot of people and nail technicians through that, so that is a great form of marketing. So get yourself on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and start creating content, start doing behind the scenes, before and afters, reels of the process. So yeah, set yourself up on there because it is a great marketing channel to promote you and your business. The great thing about running a nail business is it's very visual, so it does so well on social media, especially Instagram. So get yourself on there, and then your profile can actually act as a bit of a portfolio for you, a virtual portfolio that people can go and look at and have a look at your amazing work. So definitely Instagram, I would say, is the first kind of point of call in terms of marketing. You can then think about, you know, if you want to advertise in printed materials and things like that later down the line. But yeah, so those are basically the 4 main things you need to think about. So getting qualified, thinking about your insurance, getting registered and coming up with your name as a business, and then marketing your business as well. So those are the 4 things that I would consider now if you are looking to become a nail tech for yourself and become a business owner, basically. So yeah, that was probably quite a short and sweet one, but I think a lot of our learners will be really interested in this one. We have, like I say, it's one of our most popular courses. Our complete nail tech diploma in general is one of our best-selling courses, and it's one of my favourite things to see from our learners. We have so many learners on Instagram that tag us, and we can see their progress and all their incredible designs. So yeah, if you're interested in one of our online courses, I'll leave the link down below. I'll also leave the link down below to this full guide. So it's a blog, a career guide on our website. So you can go and have a read through, and if you have any questions, as always, just pop them in the comments. We are always so active. We love speaking to prospective learners and our learners. So yeah, any questions, just ask down below. And if you want to see future videos from us about different industries, jobs, study tips, university, A-levels, everything like that, just drop us a subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!